Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a really special dish. One very personal, named after my father who's had the restaurant for 42 years. His name's George, so it's a George's Korai, forgot the S. But yeah, please feel free to comment, subscribe, like, ask me anything. Loads of people have been asking me a lot of questions. I've been helping a lot of people, giving them little tips here and there where they can improve. So today, without further ado, we are going to make a George's Korai, a house special. Really popular in our restaurant. What you need is a teaspoon of oil, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of jalfrezi onions, 2 teaspoons of our desi style mix powder, which you can get from Korai.com, 2 spoons of tomato puree, 1 breast of chicken tikka, which we will cut into strips, about half a pint of base gravy, and 2 sprinkles of coriander. So yeah, let's get going. George's Korai. So we've got 1 breasted chicken here. That's just come out of the tandoor. Anything, you're going to get little burnt bits. You know, try and take them off. If it's not too bad, you can just leave them on. Then you're going to cut it in half, and you're going to make strips out of it. So long strips like that. We normally give about 10 pieces in one portion, but it's a demo, so it's just going to be slightly less. I think I've got around 8 there. That should be fine. So let's get going. Got our pan. So we've got our oil. Just going to let that warm up a little bit. So that's starting to sizzle a little bit. And we've got some garlic ginger paste. Let that melt in a little bit. Let the garlic and ginger get a little bit goldeny. So after about 30 seconds, that's kind of, you know, cooking a little bit. You don't want it to burn, so you want to get in a little bit quicker. We've got a jalfrezi type of onion, and I'll show you how to make all these. So if you look at the description box below, there'll be a link to everything that's pre-cooked. Let that caramelise a little bit. So it's been a few minutes now. Just putting some tomato puree in. The onions is caramelising. If you want the onions to caramelise a bit quicker, you can add a little bit of salt. But where they've already been pre-cooked, they should be a little bit cooked and a little bit softer. So we've got our stripped chicken, which we're going to put in. Then here's your desi style, which is just mixed powder. We make it our own, it's our own blend of mixed powder. And then you just want the spice to infuse into the onions, the peppers, the chicken. So yeah, so it's been a few minutes. The spice has mixed in nicely with the chicken, with the onions, the peppers. Base gravy now. Now you can put the gas up a bit more and let the sauce now thicken up. Let it cook in with the chicken. Scrape around the sides and make sure at the bottom you're scraping, otherwise the sauce and everything will get stuck there. Just going to give that a few minutes to let it cook in. So it's been a few minutes. It's bubbling really nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of coriander. I mean, you guys feel free to add some chili powder, green chilies if you like it hot. We serve it as medium, so I'm doing it exactly how we do it at the restaurant. But it's not to say that you can't add or take things out. So the sauce has got quite thick. What you want to look for is the chicken to be cooked. Yeah, so as you can stab it and see that's quite soft. You want to see the sauce is nice and thick, it's not too runny. If it's thickened up too much, add a bit more base gravy. Okay, so that's done now. So this is going to be really smoky. This is how we serve in the restaurant. It gets hot. It's going to go shh. We've got a Korai here. They're quite cheap to buy from Asian shops. It's just presentation's nice. Just be very careful. So we put that on the gas as you've seen. And then we're just going to